As Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian has said, the recent unrest and bitter events in his country were part of a joint US-Israeli initiative aimed at exploiting the challenging conditions faced by the Iranian people. Now, Mr. Netanyahu has reacted. The Israeli Prime Minister has addressed the tensions with Iran, saying, and I quote, "If Iran makes a mistake and attacks us, we will act with a force that Iran has not yet experienced."
אם איראן תעשה טעות ותתקוף אותנו, אנחנו נפעל בעוצמה שאיראן טרם הכירה. איש אינו יכול לנבא מה ילד יום באיראן, אבל דבר אחד ברור: יהיה אשר יהיה, איראן לא תחזור להיות מה שהייתה.